And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Good Sunday morning. We are waking up actually quite mild across the region. A lot of 30s and 40s out there, and many of us starting above freezing. It's 35 in Canyon City, 40 in the Springs, 42 La Junta. Some spots a little chillier at 30 in Woodland Park and Pueblo, and 20s for some of our mountain valleys. So this afternoon is going to be pleasant to the 50s for mountain valleys. 60s and 70s along I-25 and mostly 70s into the eastern plains today. So we're about 10 degrees above average, and we are waiting on a storm to come from the west. Now this area of cloudiness, of precipitation moving through the Great Basin and will be approaching the Four Corners by tomorrow, and that's going to supply us with a big change in our weather pattern. What's remaining consistent looking ahead for the next 3 days is the wind. Today the wind will be warm and breezy, and it will provide us some fire danger. Come Monday, it will be quite blustery with blowing snow as a cold front moves in. And on Tuesday will still be quite windy, but just with lighter snowfall in general. Now for today's high fire danger, we do have red flag warnings in place for the southeastern plains. This is from 11 till 7. And focusing in on the winds here today, they'll be gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour across the region. In those red flag warnings is where we'll see the strongest gusts up to 40 miles per hour this evening. But then watch tomorrow. We have these strong northerly winds coming in the morning, and they'll be gusting 50 up to 60 miles per hour for us. So this will be the strongest winds of the incoming storm system, but they will likely remain quite strong into Tuesday, gusting around 40 miles per hour throughout the day on Tuesday. Quickly looking at how the precipitation is going to play out, we will have snow showers moving over the Palmer Divide early Monday morning. Those will progress further south. Heaviest snowfall will be towards our southern I-25 zones, southern mountains and southeastern plains. Things will start to clear out by Monday night, but we will likely see another brief round of snow come Tuesday. Here's a look at where we have the main concerns about travel. Winter weather or winter storm watch is in place there. And here's a peek at your expected snowfall accumulations. Only about a trace to an inch or two for the Springs and Pueblo. This is not going to be a snow event for you, mostly concerned about wind. The highest snow totals will be for Rye, Walsenburg, Trinidad, La Veta, and even into Springfield we'll have some higher totals, and over the Palmer Divide as well is where I'm looking at several inches. So for the Springs, on the Super 7-day, I'm really just tracking the wind for you as our main impacts. We could have blowing snow that will reduce visibility on the roads. Still quite windy on Tuesday, not so much snowy anymore, just some flurries then. For Pueblo, looking forward to a beautiful day today, followed by blustery cold conditions tomorrow. Those strong wind gusts again could cause some reduced visibility if there's snow around, and we could see some potential power outages into the plains with these strong wind gusts. So for Canyon City, your impacts are pretty low. A little bit of snow, a little bit of wind from this event, but you're missing out on the bulk of this storm. You're just not in the right spot. Woodland Park, though, you will see a little bit more snowfall, so I have you up to an impact 3, where conditions are going to be quite chilly, and we will have those snow showers.
All right, thank you, Alex.